Hey, it's Ty Crandall, the CEO of Credit Suite, and we want you to know exactly what the Credit Suite team believes in.
We believe in working with the customer instead of against the customer.
We believe you should never stop learning.
We believe customer service should be nothing but exceptional.
We believe in celebrating our successes and yours too.
We believe that work can be fun.
We believe in leveling the playing field for every business, not just the big guys.
We believe that the big banks aren't actually evil. Well, actually, yes, they are.
We believe that your business should not hold back your personal finances from growing.
We believe in giving everyone the benefit of the doubt.
Apparently, we believe in making fun of the guy that wears a tie.
We believe in wearing a tie anyway.
We believe achieving success isn't as hard as a person thinks.
We believe that having fun is just as important as working hard.
We believe that one person can change a team, a company, and the world.
We believe that getting money for your business should be both fast as well as easy.
We believe in giving everyone the benefit of the doubt.
We believe we can help small businesses grow and succeed.
We believe that entrepreneurs should be able to get the money they need when they need it.
We believe that with hard work comes great success.
We believe in delivering proven step-by-step solutions.
We believe there is always a more efficient way.
We believe in team lead meetings with donuts from a certain company that rhymes with crispy clean.
We believe entrepreneurs are what drive this country forward.
We believe in saying sorry when we screw up.
We believe in doing the hard things first.
We believe that fundability can truly set you apart from your competition.
We believe that your tech issues are because you're using a PC.
We believe that your tech issues are because you're using a Mac.
We believe it's okay to be proven wrong.
We believe information is worthless without execution.
We believe great ideas come from great one-on-one conversations.
We believe in falling in love with a problem more than the solution.
We believe in living our core values.
Passion, teamwork,
Extreme ownership,
Learning
And innovation.